Hey creators, Adobe recently updated Firefly. With the addition of the Firefly Video Model in beta, Firefly has been developed for multimodal creation, integrating video, image, and vector generation into a single application to streamline the creative process. Users can generate an image and transform it into a stunning video, quickly translate audio into multiple languages, and write text prompts to create video clips with specific styles and camera angles, all within Firefly. Welcome back to BlipCut channel. Firefly is packed with so many powerful features, but for now, let's focus on the translator.
In a state or national park, there are a few key steps to take to ensure a safe and amazing adventure.
This time Firefly has added the ability to translate online, a new solution designed to break down language barriers for a global audience. Users can now translate and dub videos into multiple languages while preserving the original speaker's vocal style.
Chaque fois que vous prévoyez de faire de la randonnée,
Translate video are available today in over 20 languages. In addition to Firefly, BlipCut Video Translator Online is a great option. With over 130 languages available and even various accents to choose from, you can tailor the translation to your audience's preferences. It's super simple to use. Just click the link below to go to the official BlipCut website. From there, click the green button, create a new project, and drag and drop the video you want to translate. Next, select your target language. There are plenty of options like Spanish, French, German, Italian, and more. Hit translate, wait just a few seconds, and you're all set. That's all for this video. I've included links to both tools below so you can try and see which one you like better. And of course, throw them both in your favorites. Follow for more and catch you in the next one.